For most people, studying implies long hours with face in books, day after day, well into night, which is all wrong. The longer we spend trying to focus, the more foggy our mind becomes. Here are some super tips on how to study less and score highest marks in your exams. Don't forget to watch this video till the end. Let's begin. Number 1. Study in chunked sessions. Your mind starts to slack after studying for extended time and stops retaining the information. Instead of pushing through it, study for 45 to 60 minutes and then take a short break of 10 to 15 minutes. Reward and relax your mind with fun activities during the break. It will help you to pay attention to what you are studying when you sit for the next study session. Number 2. Inculcate the habit of making notes by hand. Handwritten notes are the best ways to allow your brain to absorb and process the information you're gathering while reading your textbooks or actively taking notes during your class or even watching YouTube lecture videos. Make sure your notes are simple and don't overdo it. Number 3. Study different subjects every day. Have you ever noticed that focusing on just one particular subject each day is not as useful as studying a couple of them each day? So if you spend 45 minutes or 1 hour on each subject every day, you will learn much faster and retain more knowledge, and your brain will have more time to process and absorb new material. Number 4. Turn it into a story. The most useful tip, that is turning complex or difficult information into a story form. You might remember childhood stories that your parents used to narrate, right? The same technique can be applied to studying as well. All you have to do is to convert complex or boring information into an interesting story form, and you will remember it for a long time. Number 5. Read the questions first. The brain becomes restless when questions enter it. Then it automatically tries to find answers. With questions rolling inside it, the brain recognizes answers easily when you read a lesson or chapter in detail. This is an effective study method as it helps to stimulate your brain to learn more, saves much time and effort, helps you understand better, helps you remember easily. If there are questions at the end of lessons or chapters, read them first. Last but not least, always keep a single goal in your mind. Never aim for multiple goals at a time. Be confident about your studies. That's it all for today's video. If you have any suggestions or requests, please comment me below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest new updates. Also share these tips with your friends. Happy studying!